Hey, what's up, America? You ever seen the Chappelle Show? Enjoyed the Bernie Mac Show? Ever watched In Living Color? Well, if you enjoyed any of the shows above, you're probably a black American and you probably watch television. So, I'm going to ask you to watch the LAP show. If you never heard of it, well, it's a bit like this.
Wash my ass with your washcloth, and I ain't rinse it off.
Oh, man, come on, dog. Well, since we confessing, I brushed my balls with your toothbrush.
Oh, not my toothbrush, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
Fuck.
And the gooch.
I thought it tasted funny, the gooch.
Yes, the gooch.
Yeah, so, check it out. And if you enjoy the show, like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Serious Amid, January 21st, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's gonna be a blast. Whew. So excited. It's like I'm about to pop a molly. Except I ain't trying to sweat, so I'm just gonna chill out and drink Kool-Aid instead.